Because of the way computers store and work with numbers, calculations involving decimal numbers can result in some strange behavior. For example, is 0.1 plus 0.2 is not equal to 0.3. This is because computers store decimal numbers as binary fractions, and some binary fractions cannot be represented exactly as decimal fractions. You want to clean up the number result from your calculation rather, which is this one, and wrap your calculation in parentheses. Do not include the return statement. So we have to wrap it in a parentheses and call the toFix method on it. So we interpolate the toFixed and pass the toFix method the number 2 as an argument. This will round the number to 2 decimal places and return a string. So basically, what our code does is that from this calculation, we convert it to a rounded number to a 2 decimal places, which is the use of the toFixed method and with an argument of 2. And in order to round the number from the calculation to a 2 decimal places, and it should return a string. So that would be it. Nice.